I don't think people understand just how wild this is. Australia went to war with emus. And guess what? The emus won. Okay, picture this. It's 1932. Australia is drowning in emus. No, really, tens of thousands of these flightless birds are wreaking havoc on farmland. So the government says, let's bring in the army. They send soldiers armed with machine guns against birds. What could go wrong, right? Spoiler alert, everything. First attempt, emus scatter, soldiers miss. Emus 1, soldiers 0. Second attempt, gun jams, emus scatter, emus 2, soldiers 0. By now, emus are basically ninja birds. The army retreats. The emus, they keep partying on the farms. End result, the emus win. Australia's army loses to birds. Morale of the story, never underestimate a bird with long legs and a game plan. And Australia? Yeah, they probably stick to kangaroos now. If you enjoyed this feather-brained fiasco, hit that like button. And remember, sometimes reality is stranger than fiction.